Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Threads notification not working. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. Whenever you have some notification problems within your applications, you will want to go to the notification center of your mobile and then start setting up your notifications. That means we want to go to our settings, and after that we want to look out or to look up for our notification centers. So it depends on the operating system that you are using. Either it's an iOS, that means an iPhone, or an Android, you will have the similar steps. So for iOS, you will want to go to settings, and at the bottom or just down, you will find notification settings. And for Android, here by going to the settings, we can find app and notifications. So by clicking on apps and notifications, we will find all our applications. Also, you will find notifications settings. So we need just to click on notifications. Make sure that you have notifications that are firstly enabled for all your application. So as you can see here, my threads has notification, so they are not disabled. Now we want to set up the type of notification. Also, you will have additional stuff. So as the default notification sound or on lock screen. So if you want to show your notification on your lock screen, you will want to add it here or enable it from here. Now we want to go to all the apps. So we will want just to simply click on the apps. So from here, we will find all these options and make sure that you have permissions that are set. That means that they are able to use everything and that notifications are on. Also, you can try or choose whatever the notification that you want to be enabled. Either it's only the reminders, other posts, like, mention, etc. And that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.